In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ship express in American Eagle. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to choose express so your order arrives faster without any confusion. Start by heading to the American Eagle website in your browser. Once the homepage loads, you'll land on the main dashboard. Take a quick moment to let everything load fully so buttons and icons appear where they should. Now look to the top right corner of the page. That's where you'll find the shopping bag icon, which takes you straight to your cart. Go ahead and click the bag icon to open your cart. Inside your cart, review the items you plan to purchase. Make sure sizes, colors, and quantities are correct, and confirm that each item shows as available to ship. It's a good idea to check for any notes about delivery eligibility, as certain items or locations can affect expedited options. If something looks off, adjust it here before moving on. When everything is set, click the button that says "Let's check out" to continue. You'll arrive at checkout, where you'll enter your personal details. Carefully type in your shipping address exactly as it appears for deliveries, including any apartment or unit numbers. Double check your contact email and mobile number so you can receive order updates and tracking notifications. Small typos here can delay shipping, so take an extra second to verify. Next, scroll to the shipping methods section. You'll see the available delivery speeds, along with estimated arrival dates and costs. Read the descriptions so you understand the time frame and any limitations for your location. When you're ready to speed things up, select Express. After you choose Express, glance at the updated delivery estimate to confirm it meets your timeline. If anything changes in the summary, like the shipping cost, make sure it aligns with what you expect. Before you finish, scan your order summary one last time. Confirm your shipping address is correct, your items are accurate, and Express is selected. When everything looks perfect, click Place Order to finalize the purchase. You should see an on-screen confirmation right away. Keep your order number handy and watch for a confirmation email with tracking details once your package ships. If you don't see the email after a while, check your spam or promotions folder. That's it. Your American Eagle order is set to ship via Express, getting your items to you faster and with fewer surprises. Thanks for watching and enjoy your delivery.